Okay, I kind of feel vulnerable with just my hair up like this and a shirt. Hey guys, it's Meeee, your HappyB, and today we are trying something different. Not for the internet though, because as you all know, I ain't got no creativity. But it's very different for the HappyB channel, and it's really just been a thing that I wanted to do for so long now. And now that I actually have activated charcoal powder, that by the way I already used in my previous upload wherein I made a DIY charcoal mask for my pamper routine. Check that out if you haven't yet. But today I've always wanted to try and whiten my teeth. Especially since now I've been drinking so much tea and I've started to drink coffee. Oh my god, I am crossing into adulthood. I've always been that kind of person that didn't really like coffee, nor like even coffee ice cream, like coffee crumble, which is my sister's favorite ice cream flavor. And yeah, I feel like now I'm a full adult. Anyway, cutting the crap, the things that I'm gonna look for in this video is number one, how easy and instantaneous, instantaneous, the effects of the charcoal teeth whitening thingy that I'm gonna do, and number two, how long it'll actually last. So for this DIY, I have baking soda, and to that I'm gonna add an equal part of charcoal powder. By the way, this is activated charcoal powder, and you get this in loads of places locally. You don't even have to go to a pharmacy just because of how trendy charcoal is. You know, you can just get this in any of the local beauty brands that we have, especially the ones that offer like essential oils. They probably have this too. Mix that together, super simple. Oh, and by the way, because we're working with black powder and it's going to be a little messy, I feel, I recommend that you guys wear a dark shirt, and preferably one that's not yours. I've already tried like a couple of whitening toothpaste from Colgate, like even the activated charcoal one, but girl, that thing don't work. It looks like that. It'll turn gray. It's kind of like the color of my shirt. No, it's not. Okay. Next thing that I'm gonna do is apply it to my teeth. And from a couple of videos that I watched, they used a toothbrush, but girl, I only have one and I don't want to potentially screw that up. So what I have is a cotton sheet. And then we're gonna dip it in water. Simply, oh my god, it's real, it's happening. And then I don't have a mirror. I know. Why did I put it on with my mouth open? Honestly, y'all, I did not expect that. That hurt. I did it with the baking soda and the charcoal together, and I got that from a recipe on the YouTubes, and they did not say that it hurt, but for me, damn, I was like, That's why my face was like this. As I was like trying to brush it off, it really hurt to do it like this. I had to do it like very gently. Gentle, gentle, gentle. So if you're gonna try it with a baking soda, I say just put a little bit of baking soda, but the results, I don't know, I'm not impressed. Bonk. Good morning guys, day 2, the trial. This time what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dip my brush into the charcoal powder alone, and then I'll brush my teeth like this for 2 minutes. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll just prop you up here. It's not good. Okay. It's just not starting. It's hard. Okay, so this time I still don't know what happened, y'all. We're gonna see in the comparisons. But what I did different this time is that I used up more of the charcoal. So you saw the like platito that I had. Is that a platito? A saucer. The saucer that I had with the charcoal, and I used up most of it compared to last time where I just like did like this and then I didn't like bother with the rest of the charcoal. And then I said that I would do it for 2 minutes, but I went a little over. I went like to 3 minutes because I don't know, I was just playing a song and I wanted the song to end first. So yeah, the lighting's not good. Okay, there. So with regards to charcoal, I'm not super impressed by it, to be honest. Maybe my teeth are just that bad. Like maybe it's my fault. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's not the charcoal. But I think I'll do this for like 2 more days. So I'm gonna brush my teeth with charcoal each day for 2 more days. But it won't be on camera. If you guys want an update, I can post it on Twitter. It will not be on Instagram because that don't look good on my feed. Is it called a feed? But yeah, if you guys want to see that, comment down below if you want to see the 4th day trial results comparison thing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to try charcoal yourself, go ahead. I mean, it's not expensive and it doesn't hurt if you just use charcoal. Don't use baking soda. Yeah. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more from my channel and want to be updated on my new videos, please hit that subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Also, if you want to see me more, like I tweet and I post pictures on Instagram. So here are my handles.